Hey guys, John B here from PhoneArena. Right now I'm taking a hands-on look at the Moto X, but this time it's actually a unit that was made using the Moto Maker website, so it's a custom version, and of course it has some pretty looking colors. But first and foremost, let's get started with the packaging. Now it came in a relatively quick manner within that 4 business days time period that Motorola stated, and it came with just the unit itself and the Motorola Skip, which is their cool unlocking accessory that you could attach anywhere on. You'll go into detail that a little bit here. But with the packaging, it's the same old one that we saw with our review unit, nothing particularly special, but when you open it up, of course, the first thing we see is the unit itself, which is face down, so the back plating is showing, so it really showcases that spearmint color of a particular unit. So the packaging is, of course, very colorful, a lot of stuff going on with it, but the beauty in it itself is just the handset that it has inside. Now, as you can tell, it's a matte finish with our Moto X unit, and we gotta say, using the Moto Maker website, it was a fairly simple process. You choose the front color, either black or white. The back color, of course, there's a host of different colors, some bright, some neutral, some a little bit more reserved, but we went with the spearmint color. Let's give it a little bit more pop, and we do notice that people take a liking to it. And as far as the accent colors for the camera trim and the volume control, we went with this yellow color, so a good contrast there between the black, the green, and the yellow. We do have a branding etched to it in the back, and it's fairly nice. It seems like it's printed on there instead of being etched per se. And of course, the boot up process, we have a custom saying there what pops up, and we also selected a wallpaper which complements the color scheme of our particular unit. The design, of course, is fantastic. Feels very natural in hand. It has that matte finish, so clean looking, though. If you put it in your pocket, sometimes it just incurs some smudges, which takes a little bit of buffing to actually remove, but it's not that bad. The construction is fantastic, of course, the same curved design. The display is gorgeous, and the accent colors really give a nice appeal to the overall handset's design. So a pretty good job on Motorola's part with this unit and how it came out. And again, using the Moto Maker website, it was very easy, quick, and it works just like promised. And the last thing here, which I'm going to show you, is the Motorola Skip, which is an interesting accessory that comes with the purchase of the Moto X, and it's a cool accessory that we haven't necessarily seen with other units. We kind of think it's kind of similar to the stuff that BlackBerry puts out with its magnetized cases, where you take out the handset, it unlocks it. Basically the same concept here, but the Skip is basically something you attach onto yourself, whether it be a belt buckle or your clothes. It's held together in place with a magnet, so it's firmly intact there. And using NFC, of course, you could go ahead and unlock the device just by tapping the back. Now, it takes a couple times, and it looks like the sweet spot for it's right underneath the Motorola branding in the back of the handset. And once it does that, it'll unlock the device, so you don't have to put in your PIN number or your pattern. And it's fairly simple, and it works most of the time. Sometimes you gotta finagle with it a little bit, but it works fairly quickly. And on top of that, they do also include Motorola includes some of these Motorola Skip dots, which just like the Samsung Tactiles, basically NFC stickers you could attach anywhere, and does the same thing. So that's a quick look at the Moto X, our custom design unit. So if you want to learn more about it, guys, you could check out our website, PhoneArena.com. It's John V. Thanks for watching.